Vocational training option. Upon completion of a 9-year program, the students has a choice of either completing the remaining 2 years at normal schools or of a transfer to a specialized professional training schools. Historically, those were divided into low prestige PTUs, better regarded technicum and medical schools. In the 2000, many such institutions, if operational, have been renamed as a college. They provide students with a vocational skill qualification and a high school certification equivalent to the 11-year education in normal school. The program, due to its work training component and extend over 3 years. In 2007-2008, there were 2,800 such institutions with the 2000 with the 2,028,000 students. Russian vocational schools like the Tech Prep school in the USA fall out of the ISCED classification. Thus, the enrollment number reported by the UNESCO is lower 1.4941 million. The difference is attributed to senior classes of technicum that exceeded secondary education standard. All certificates of secondary education, maternity certificates, Russian regarded regardless of the issuing institution, conform to the same national standard and are considered, at least in laws, to be fully equivalent. The state prescribed minimum and nearly exhaustive set of the study subjected that must appear in each certificate. The practice extension of the study term to 3 years slightly at disadvantage vocational schools. Male students who intend to continue the reach conscription age before the graduation or immediately after it, and normal must serve in the army before the applying to the undergraduate level institution. Although all male pupils are eligible to postpone their conscription to receive the higher education, they must be at least sign up for the admission test into the universities, and the moment they get the conscription notice from the army, most of the military commissariat official are fairly considerate toward the potential recruits on that matter, and usually allow graduate enough time to choose the university and sign up for admission or enroll there are paid basis, despite the fact that the spring recruiting period is not yet ended. By the time most schools graduate their students, all those people may legally be commanded to present themselves to be the recruitment centers the next day after the graduation. Males of the conscription ages that choose not to continue their education at any stage usually get notice from the army within half a year after their education ends. Because of their periodic nature of the recruitment period in Russian army unified state examination, traditionally the universities and institutes conducted their own admission tests regardless of the applicant's schools regard. There were no uniform measure of gratitude. Abilities mark is issues by high schools were perceived as incompatible due to the grading variance between the schools and regions. In 2003, and the Ministry of Education launches the Unified State Examination Program, the set of the standardized test for high school graduates issued uniformly throughout the country and rated independent of the students. Schoolmasters, akin to the North American SAT, was supposed to replace the entrance exams to study to state universities. Thus, the reform responded. The USE will empower talent graduates from remote location to compete for admission at the universities of their choice. At the same time, eliminating admission relating very the then estimated at $1 billion annually. In 2003, 858 universities and colleges worker were indicated for very admission fee in the MGIMO. Illegal reached $30,000. University had notable Moscow State's University Rector Victor Shadrumenichi resisted the novelty, arguing that their schools cannot survive without charging the applicant with their own entrance hurdles. Nevertheless, the legislators enacted USE in February 2007. In 2008, it was mandatory for the students and optional for the universities. It is fully mandatory since 2009. A few higher education establishments are still allowed to introduce their own entrance test. In the addition to use USE scoring, such tests must be publicized and advanced. Awarding USC grade involving two stages in this system. A primary grade is the sum points of the completed task, with each of the tasks having a maximum number of points allocated to it. The maximum total primary grades varies by subject, so that one might obtain, for instance, a primary grade of 23 out of 37 in mathematics and primary grades of 43 out of 80 in the French. The primary grades are then converted into final or test grades by means of the sophisticated statistical calculation, which takes into account the distribution of primary grades among the examinees. This system has been criticized for its lack of transparency. The first nationwide USA session of covering all regions of Russia was held in the summer of 2008. 25.3% students failed literature test and 23.5% failed mathematics. The highest grades were recorded in French, English, and social studies. 20,000 students failed objection against their grades. One third of the objections were settled in the students' favor.